Okay, now, guys, this video is for those using Android 13 that are, if you're having issues with your Android 13, what you do is this: you download this application, this one right here, Files. You go to your Play Store, you download it. It should be like this, blue and white. Then APK editor, you should already have by now, and your Z Archiver or whatever application. You download these three applications you should download. Then what you do is this: to move, if you're having issues moving your files, what you do is you go to where you have your files downloaded. You go to your data. I mean, sorry, you go to OBB. When you go to OBB, you view, you see the APK, you hold it, you copy, you should paste outside here. Just paste it. After pasting it, you will install. You tap on it, you will install it. When you install, I already have mine installed, so I don't need to do that again. You install it. When you install it, you go back, you go back and you open it. This is mine. You open it. When you open yours, it will show you something about files not found or whatever. Then you go back to, you quit it. Then you go to your Z Achiever application. You go to your Z Achiever. You go to Android. You go to data. When you go to data, you will see something like this. Something like this folder right here. You will see it. You will see it. Then you tap once. Any files you see here, any file, probably you see, I don't know what you see, but any folder you see here, you will delete it. You should delete it. What should be left is an empty folder that has this. That's what you need. Then you go back. You go to where you have your files downloaded. Mine is an alarm already, so I don't like mine being in download because there are just too many files to start selecting from, and I just don't want to go through that stress. So then you go to your data full, your data full. You will click on extract here. Extract here. Please extract here. That's why I like it when you move your files to a separate location, so to avoid overcrowding. You click on extract here. I don't want to go through that process, so I will just view. When you click on extract here, everything will come out like this. You will see these two. This particular one is not useful. This file is not useful. You will see this one, data. You enter. You will see this folder right here. You enter. Like I said, when you click on extract here, I didn't say you should view, extract. Then you see something like this. What you do now, you tap on this thing right here, this one, that one right there. You tap on it. You see multiple select. You click on it once. Then you can tap on just two items. Just two items. Please, two items. You don't rush it. Then you hold. You copy. You go to your Android. You go to your data. Then you now go to where you have your FIFA folder already created by the application itself. Oh. You enter inside. Then you just paste it here. You just paste it here. If it takes time, don't worry. You make sure that every process, just don't rush it. It is step by step, step by step. When you're done with that one, you go back again to where you download the stuff. Yours is already extracted, remember? So you enter the data folder again, the game folder. You enter the game folder. That's not the data. Get the data for. You enter again. Remember, you copied two before. You do the same step. You can tap on this one and this one. This one is empty, so then you can tap on this one. And even this one doesn't matter because these two at the top are the main. No, this one and this one, these two are the main ones. Don't copy both at the same time. So better you copy these two and you move. Then you can then come back and copy these three, or maybe even just this. Just copy all four of them. You copy all four. The same thing you hold. You copy. You go to Android right here. You go to data. You go to the folder where you have your FIFA. Then you paste here. You paste. When it's done, you go back again. It's a little bit stressful, but it is worth it. Trust me. You view. Already, I did not say you should. You know what to do already. I don't say you should. I say you should extract. Then you can tap on this one and copy the rest. This one are just kilobytes. They will not take time to extract. You just hold, you copy. You go to Android. The same process. Go to Android. Go to data. But for sake of the video, let me just do it. Android data. Right here. You paste. When you're done with that, what you do next now, you already now that you're done with the data, you can tap yourself on the back or pat yourself on the back. Then you go back. When you go back, you see you go to your files application. This one right here. You open it. When you open it, you locate Android. Android. You see OBB. Enter OBB. Then you click on these three dots right here. This three dot right there. You click on it. You see a new folder. New folder. New folder. This one. You tap on it. You can put anything. You can put your name, my son name. You can put your girlfriend's name. Or even put Tinubu's name. You okay it. This folder, FIFA. You okay it. Then you go back. You go to your Z Achiever application here. You now go to where you downloaded your, and then you go to your OBB. You should extract it. It's advisable you extract it, but you can still do this process. But you should extract it for I don't know. Then you see your OBB folder. You tap on it. You see this folder again. You tap on it. You see these two files. Again, you tap on this three icon here. These three up here. Then you tap on multiple selects. You tap and you tap. You hold. You sorry. You hold. You hold. You copy. Now you go to your main storage. You go to Android. You go to OBB right here. You will see this folder you created, FIFA. This one, FIFA. You enter and you paste it right here. You paste it right here. When it's done pasting, when the files are already there, then you go back. You go back to where you downloaded your files again. You see your data. I mean your APK and OBB. You enter. Oh, just already extracted, so you will just see OBB. You enter. You see this folder. You will now hold it. Hold it. Hold it. I'm saying this several times because I know some people are very, very smart. They know how to confuse themselves and confuse you. Later they will say it's not working. Then you see this one rename. You don't need to rename anything. You double tap. You just double tap like you are double tapping on TikTok. You see copy. You copy it. Double tap. You copy. You cancel. Then you go to your files application right here. You go to, let me just go back again. You go to your Android. You go to OBB. Then you see this FIFA application that you created that already has the OBB patches. I mean the OBB files you created earlier. You hold it. I'm sorry, you just hold it. I think. You hold it, you rename. If yours appears like this, you just tap it like this. Otherwise, if it doesn't appear like this, you delete the one there, you hold on your screen, you see paste, you paste it, you click on OK. I don't want to do it again because it will be duplicating folders on my phone. So you click on OK. It will rename the folder. You will see something like this right there. By so doing, you are done with everything. You have bypassed the Android 13, whatever. When you're done with that, you open your game. You just open your game, and your game should open. Yours will not look like mine, so don't be greedy. Then you go back. If your game has opened, then you go back again. To fix the commentary file is not difficult. This video is already taking too long. You go to for the commentary file. You go to the commentary right here. Commentary right here. You you can do this process. You can extract here, or you can just view. You can view. You see data. You see this particular folder. You enter. You see speech. You hold it. You copy it. Mind you, before doing this step, make sure you have already exited the application, please. You copy it. This speech. Let me do it again, please, so you guys don't. Commentary. You tap. You view, or you can extract it. When you extract, you see something like this. You tap on data. You see this one. You tap on it. You see speech. You hold. You copy. You go to Android. You go to data. Then you see the FIFA file right here. This one, FIFA file right here. Then you paste. You paste right. Then you get this speech file. Then you go back for the data DB. For this particular one, if you have it for the data DB, all you have to do is you tap, you view. This is the data. This is the FIFA. But then again, you can extract or do this process. You see these three files here. Look at it, FIFA. And you see these three files here. You tap on the three dots. One, two, three, you click, you hold, you copy. Once again, you go to Android, you go to data, you go to your game folder, and you just paste it here. When you paste it here, it will show you over it will show you something like this. You click on apply to all files and you replace. Don't skip, replace. If you don't do this one, you start having multiple files on your game. It might crash later. Don't- so you just apply and you replace. I don't need to do that, so I'll just go back. Then again, when you do this step, so you will have one particular problem, which is half screen. I forgot to do it earlier, but I did it in the last video. So to fix the half screen, if you have half screen, don't panic. You just have to go to your data once again. You go to files, sorry. You go to files. You go to Android. This is your OBB. You go to OBB. Use your com.e.fifa word. You hold. You rename. You just add. You cancel. You just to rename. You just rename. Tap on the front. You could just add one or two or three. You click on OK. You OK it. You go back. You go to your data. You go to the game folder. This one you hold. You tap. You rename. You add any number. You could add one or two or whatever number. You OK. You go back. Then what you do is you then already you have your APK editor already. So what you do is you tap on your APK editor. I'm sure by now you've already extracted your APK file. If you have not, you go to your OBB and APK. OBB and APK. You tap, you view, you see this one right here, this particular one. You hold it, you copy. You can go and paste it anywhere. When you paste it anywhere, you go to your APK editor. You then go and locate it wherever you put it. Mine is here, so this is it. You'll see your main story like this. You go to where you put it. You tap common edit. You go to target SDK. You put 29. You save. You save, please. You save. When you're done doing that, the saving, it will it will show you it will show you working for a while. Then, oh, the video is taking too long. Now it's done. You close. Then you go to this one, the APK you already installed before. You hold it. You uninstall. You uninstall. Please uninstall it. Then you cancel. You go to your Z Achiever. You go to your Z Achiever. You go to your Z Achiever. You see APK editor. You see TMP folder. Hold it. You see the APK you just edited. You tap on it and you install it. When you install it, you go back. I don't have to install it again. Remember, I already have it. So you go back. After installing it, you go to your main page. You see the application right here. You tap. Sorry, don't tap. You hold. Sorry, you hold. You don't tap. You hold. You see app info. You go to app info. You go to permission. You have this one below here. To take it up, you just tap on it. If you see files and media, you tap on it. You allow. The moment you allow it will move to the top, meaning you are already giving the application access. Then you do one last step, one very last step. You go to your files application again. You go to Android. You go to OBB. You hold your FIFA World. You rename. Already you added a number in front. You just, if it's one you added, you just delete it and OK. Then you go to data. You go to FIFA World. You hold. You tap here. Tap here. You rename. If it's whatever number you added, you just delete it and leave the original name there. For both of them, I didn't say you should rename the whole thing, please. Okay. And by so doing, you are done. You can just go to your game, you tap on it, and it will give you, not like this, but it will open and you have your game. And that is the final step for, wow, 18 minutes. Okay.